Look who we have here.
Hey.
So we've been struggling for a while now to get the rubber booties here on the piston and into the caliper. So we worked out what it is, and so the seal normally sits like that around the edge of the piston and inside the caliper. But the trouble is, if it's sitting on the piston, you can't get it into the caliper, and if you sit it on the caliper like that, well, if you get it all seated properly, then you can't get the piston in. So the way to do it is to set it up on the piston like that, invert that top lip, put it in inverted, so pull the lip inside out like that, feed it, there we go. So you've inverted the lip on the cylinder, feed it up so it's sitting nicely, then push it all the way down to the bottom of the piston so that that bit there is loose, and you can come up to the caliper and feed the back section in first and pop in the front section like that. So it's all seated. Check the back, now it's all seated, and gently push the piston down, and you want to get it past that inboard seal in the bore. And once it's through, bring the lip up until it seats in that top groove there, like that, and gently push it the rest of the way, and the rubber seal will turn itself in the right direction, and there you are. Job done.
Nailed it.